Hello and welcome to another video from BookGen. In this video, we're going to cover the fiction generator. Again, this is something that you can do entirely on our free tier. Create an account, log in, and we're going to show you how to create your book outline using our fiction generator. And this will really help you kind of craft and hone your story ideas. The wizard has 5 steps: the story concept itself, world building, the characters, plot structure, and also the final details. What we're going to start with is, what's the story about? So, for example, it's Halloween. So, what we'll do is come up with some fun Halloween ideas. So, what we'll do is a story about a pumpkin that turns into a vampire. The genre will be horror. As you can see, we've got a number of different genres here. Target audience. Let's just talk about the young adults, and obviously you can specify a lot more here. What's the world setting? We've also given examples. For example, it could be a medieval fantasy realm with floating islands, etc. We're going to set this in the 1990s. Set in the 1990s in Midwest America. What's the world rules? Let's just say that on October 31st every year, 10 pumpkins into vampires. Just a fun little thing. And we can see, is it going to be tense and suspenseful, mysterious and dark? Let's go for tense and suspenseful. And then we also have a few more things. Who's the main protagonist? Let's call the main protagonist Peter the Pumpkin. Are there any antagonists or oppositions? Yeah, we'll say that it's Wendy the Werewolf. Add in a few loyal pumpkin friends. It's always great to have a few loyal friends there. And then what's great about this is you've actually got a number of different plot structures. Let's just go for a 5-act structure. And then what's the central conflict? So, for example, what is the main story trying to solve? Or what's the main conflict? And we've given the example that the kingdom faces invasion by ancient dragons, and only the protagonist can unite the warring clans. And here, I think the central kind of conflict or the problem could be that if the pumpkin doesn't defeat Wendy the werewolf, all pumpkins, all of humanity is at stake, and the werewolf will turn all of the world into werewolf. So just a silly idea. Themes and messaging. What's the deeper themes you want to explore? I leave that optionally for you. And as you can see here, I'm already on a standard account. So I will actually, once I've put my book title in, let's just talk about this as Peter the Pumpkin. Let's give it that name. It will actually give you a different title once you generate the outline. Because I'm on a standard account, I can actually generate the full story. And as you can see, I can do it at 20,000, 40,000 or 50,000 version. And however, what I'm going to do is put the create an outline only, because that's what you'll have the option of doing on your free account. And again, here I'll just say it's a 15,000 word extensive outline. What's my writing style? This is really interesting, right? So is it literary and descriptive? Is it minimalist and direct or poetic? Let's go for dramatic and intense. And then what we're going to do is generate the fiction outline. And as you can see, the fiction outline is starting here. So you'll see Peter the Pumpkin. You can see some of the other ones I've generated a bit earlier, and you can see that it says outline only. So Peter the Pumpkin is here, and as it's only an outline, it's already 40% generated. And then when the generation is stopped and completed, you'll have the download link available, and it should just take about 5 minutes or so. I won't wait until that is created, but I just wanted to show you how easy it is to generate an entire book outline that will really kind of flesh out your story for you entirely for free without having to pay any credit card details on bookgen.com. Definitely come along, create a free account, and try it out. Okay, thank you.